Hey, what is up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a business credit card that does not report to your personal credit, because there's not that many out there like that. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm sure a lot of you guys already may have this card or you saw other videos about it, but there's a lot of videos out there that are not correct now, and that's not to say those videos weren't correct a couple months ago, but financial institutions constantly change policies and different things when you're applying for business credit cards and even personal credit cards. So that's what I'm going to explain in this video. So like I said, we're going to be talking about a business credit card, and that is through Citizens Bank. Okay. Citizens Bank is geo-restricted. I'm not sure what states they're actually available in. I'm out of Ohio, and they have Citizen Bank branches, and I actually had an account with them like 20 years ago. But since then, I haven't. And I just want to give you guys this information and data points that I've learned, and I spoke to them on the phone as well. So to get some data points. So what we're going to be talking about is the business credit cards they offer. They have two different ones, Everyday Points and the Business Platinum MasterCard. I'll get into that in a minute, but before I do, please, if this is your first time coming, hit that subscribe button below. I'm trying to put out new content out every day, 2 to 3 videos possibly a day in the month of September here, and hopefully can keep that momentum going. So I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and turning the bell notification on so you don't miss out on the credit gems coming. Okay. So this isn't going to be like the same video of other YouTubers putting out the same content. I'm going to give you guys a little bit different data points on what I recently picked up on with Citizens Bank. So I would say if you're not geo-restricted, meaning like you're in the location where they allow clients, because not all states, they will do business with, but this is a type of bank that's kind of like Navy Federal Credit Union and a few others that it's banking relationship. You only have that banking relationship with them because they offer high limit. So what I would suggest, if you've never done business with them and never banked with them, I would suggest you first getting a personal checking and savings account. Okay. And if you have direct deposit, you can get $250 when you open up a checking account, which that's a great sign up bonus just for a personal checking account. That's a lot. And that's also comes with some stipulations. You have to have a direct deposit of $500 or more within 60 days. So keep that in mind. But I'll have all the links in the description below. But they have a couple different accounts here. I would go with the one deposit checking from Citizens or the Citizens Quest checking. Keep in mind there is going to be fees anywhere from no fees to $9.99 to $25. If you don't have if you don't meet those requirements, but I'll let you guys check that out as far as that goes. I'm just saying that if you just go try to apply for one of their business credit cards and you don't have a relationship with them already, you're going to you could have problems. It's not guaranteed, but it's better to have a relationship already built up with them. That's not to say you can't get approved for a checking account today and apply today or tomorrow for their business credit card. You can. I'm just saying get that account established first, the personal one, So let's get back over to their business credit cards. First of all, everyone, I don't want to say everybody, but pretty much 99% of all the videos out there about Citizens Bank say it's a soft pull. It's not a soft pull. It's a hard pull. I don't know if before it was a soft pull. I believe it was a soft pull several months back, but it is a hard pull. I went through the whole application today, and last Friday I actually spoke with somebody at Citizens Bank, gave me a few data points. But so the everyday points, business MasterCard, you get 2 points for every dollar spent. For the daily purchases you make with your business credit card, earn up to 3.5% back in rewards when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days and 1% thereafter. So that's not bad at all. It's pretty competitive. 0% introductory APR on all business purchases for 6 months. Not bad again, pretty good. And the APRs range anywhere from 11%, 16, 19, and 21. It would depend, obviously, on your personal credit worthiness. So what they are going to be pulling is Equifax personal. They are inquiry sensitive, and they don't like to see too many new accounts as well on the personal side. And then the business platinum MasterCard, it's basically, I guess, without the rewards, but you, I guess it's the same thing. It's kind of like the Navy Federal one where it's only good for like balance transfers, but myself, I would go with the everyday points, but that's up to you. It'll take you, after you hit apply, it will take you to this page here, and you're going to want to hit business credit card for everyday purchases. They have lines of credit and working capital, but that's not what I'm going to talk about today. Maybe at another time I'll make a video about that, but you're going to do the business, select the business credit card, and it'll take you into it's like a 2-page application that you have to agree and everything into. But keep in mind, you're going to want to have a decent FICO 8 score with Equifax personal. They don't check business credit, although they do ask you some business information. But again, it's based off of your Equifax personal credit score. You're not going to want to have recent derogatories or anything like that. And if you've opened up many checking accounts under business or personal, they are sensitive on that as well. So LexisNexis and check systems, they keep tallied basically how many times you've inquired or had inquiries for opening up business accounts or personal checking accounts. Even if it's not reported on your credit, but those are different credit bureaus that kind of hold data. So like SageStream is now part of LexisNexis. So you could be, declined on not because you have bad credit, but because you've opened up too many different, say, credit unions or personal bank accounts in a certain amount of time. I spoke to Radical Marketer today. I think he's going to be putting out a video about check systems and LexisNexis here soon. I'm not going to talk too much about that. I'll let him, spill the beans on that. But anyways, so they give pretty good limits. I mean, it's 25,000. I've seen a lot of people get 25,000, but I would say the average is going to be in between 8 and 12,000 for average. Good thing is it does not report to your personal credit at all. The business card does not report to the personal credit at all. I called back and like 3 different times and asked the reps there. I got conflicting information about it being reported on. They all agreed it doesn't report to the personal. It's just initial hard pull with Equifax. But as far as the reporting to the business credit bureaus, I had 2 out of 3 say that it does, but they didn't know which business credit bureau that it actually reports to. So don't hold me by that. I just want to let you guys know it is a hard pull on your personal credit. They're going to pull through Equifax. Just go ahead to be on the safe side. because I don't want you guys to comment and say, oh, they pulled somewhere else, like Experian or TransUnion. Freeze or lock your TransUnion and Experian, and then leave your Equifax unlocked, because you're going to have that no matter what. Even if you have them all locked and you apply for it, they're going to contact you and say you need to unfreeze it, and then they can go forward with the application. Anyways, you guys, I think it's a notable good card to have, especially considering a lot of these other cards are giving you only like a couple thousand. This business credit card actually gives you high limit. So anybody that has this card that can put any more data points, comment in the section. Put your comment below for the community of everybody here on Get Business Credit. And I'm going to apply for it here shortly, but not right now, because I'm kind of in a gardening for a couple months. So just to recap real quick, it does not report to your personal credit. You're not going to want to have too many recent inquiries, because they are inquiry sensitive. And it's better to go ahead and get a personal checking account with them, just so you have that banking relationship already built with them. It's going to increase your chances for approval, in my opinion. Okay. You guys have any other questions, let me know. And I think that's it. But please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I got more nuggets coming out. I'm going to try to do like 15 videos this week. So hit that subscribe button, turn the bell notification on, smash the thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow. Love you guys all. And until next time, you guys take care and be safe. Bye-bye.